everybody. Today we're going to talk about our geography, our history and our independence skills in the Red S class. So what I like to do is give the children as much independence as possible. So one of the ways we do that is by using a lanyard. Now there's a couple of different types out there. The ones that we use will have a clip on the end, but make sure that they can just snap apart up here at the neck strap. This one also has a snap across at the neck yard. A little bit tougher than the other ones, but I like to use an easy one, just like this one. This one has no way of disconnecting itself, so if the child fell on anything or somebody pulled it, it's no good, so I wouldn't use that. So when you're buying it, make sure you check that it can disconnect easily enough. So that one does, but it's a strong pull. So this one is the one that I would select for my class. So again, it depends on the person that was going to use it. So inside our classroom door, on the right hand side we have all our coats and bags, and on the left hand side we've got a notice board, and at easy reach to the students I have little Polly Pocket envelopes, and inside that is, each envelope has photographs of destinations. So one envelope will have photographs of the PE hall, another one will have the studio, another one will have the sensory room, we've got the home economics room, we've got the playground, and so on. So various destinations, and we have enough photographs for every student inside the classroom, and always put in extra because they do go missing and get used. When they get used a lot, then you need them to be clear and reused and reprinted every now and then. All the photographs are laminated, so you get extra life out of them. So when it's time to go, or the afternoon time, usually the children will have an idea of the time of day themselves from their own timetable, and we do a lot of things that are similar and in rota and routine, but this helps if something is going out of rota. For a time, for example, a guest musician is coming to the hall. So when the children see me getting these, they know, oh, we're on a journey, we're going to go out, we're going away somewhere, where are we going to go to? Or they might choose themselves during the day that if they need a movement break, they will go over and select a destination, maybe just a walk or whatever, and again, another use for them. So when I show these, or the child goes over and gets them, they then can go and get the chosen picture. If I want it to be a specific picture, then I will take the pictures out of the envelope, and I have a Velcro board on the side, and I stick my 6 pictures up there of the same destination. So my postcards is what I have here. When we get to Rome again, I don't know, but just clip on the picture, and then the child or you will put it over their head so they can say, look, I'm going on a job, this is where I'm going to, this is my picture. So they don't have to hold it in their hand, so when they get excited and drop it, that's okay, they're still going there. When they get to the destination of where they're going to, there is another member of staff at that destination, and the child, it's like your ticket system, they hand over their ticket to that member of staff. So they're learning to take on and take off their lanyard as well. So it also kind of slows down the momentum that you have to make sure that the room, that your destination, the other class have left it and so on. So it gives you enough time to do all those steps that need to be taken when you're in a school situation. In a home situation, you could use it for deciding, okay, are we going to go for a walk in the woods? Are we going to go to the playground? Are we just going to go to the garden? Again, you might only need 2 pictures or 3 pictures, but it's a handy one to use in that situation. And again, they just come off like that. The child can eventually learn to, when they're gone to the destination, pull it or take it off over their head. But for safety, I like the ones that easily snap away like that. It also means that when there are people in the corridor passing the children, they know not to disturb them. They know they're like on a destination, they're concentrating on where they're going to. Where it comes from this, the student is no longer following me, the teacher, to the destination, I'm following them. So I'm checking to see, do they remember where they're going to? And it's lovely to see group students going off by themselves and who's taking the lead and checking this. When we're trying to teach the actual destination, we'll walk beside the student, and when it comes to a junction as to where we're going, whether left or right in the corridor, again, we show them the picture, bring their, focus back onto the picture where we're going and direct them in that direction. So there's a lot of skills to learn from something very, very simple. And again, we do the same when we're reversing and coming out of where we've been, like in the studio or the PE hall, we'll have a picture of our classroom to redirect us there. I hope this is of some use, but it'll also tell you how we teach our geography and our history in our classroom. Thank you for watching. Bye.